Sometimes the tiniest little blooms can pack the biggest punch. They can be quite a surprise, particularly when they're delivered in multitude. And when they constellate with other flowers, you can see here, these tiny little blooms juxtapose these petunias are the perfect contrast of the tiny to the large. These little micro flowers, if you will, really set off the larger flowers. One of my favorites is Lobularia. This one's called White Night. You can see how dense it is. It's quite an improvement from the old-fashioned sweet alyssum in that it flowers all the time. Another tiny flowered annual to think about is this one, which is a Euphorbia. This one is called Diamond Frost, and it has a cousin called Diamond Delight, which has double flowers and is even more compact. It's worth checking out. And then take a look over here. Another one perfect for hanging baskets. Really a classic for the hanging basket. This one's called Lobelia Sky Blue. And I just love that blue color, these tiny little blooms. You see, all of those little blooms, when delivered in multitude like that, can really create quite a visual impact, and that's what you're looking for. And these are perfect for hanging baskets. So when you're thinking about creating a container, think about color, but also think about texture and how that texture might be delivered through the contrast of larger flowers and these tiny little microchips.